Welcome to another room tour, and this is the Jiva Hotel. It's close, the nearest biggest city is Geneva, but we are in France. And here is a typical room here. We're on the first floor. This is room 207. And we'll start off here. You've got a nice desk and chair set up, although there's not a whole lot of plugs around on that side. And you've got a TV. You have a table and a couple of chairs where you can enjoy that really lovely view. There's also quite a generous sized balcony out there, and so you've got a couple of chairs. You can see exactly what that's like. I'll give you a view outside. You do have a good bit of privacy here as well, even though there are some other rooms down there, but that gives you an idea of what the view is like. Really quite stunning, even on a rather damp day like today. So actually, one useful tip, there's even an outdoor plug, so if you do want to stay out here, charge your devices and work, you can do that. Speaking of charging, beside the bed you've got a couple of USB ports, and you've also got some plugs further down there, and all of the lights and stuff are all handled there. Same on the other side, so it doesn't matter which side you're on. Very good air conditioning in here as well. And then I'll give you a look at the bathroom. You get both in here, so you get a very nice bath. And again, you've got a window there with blinds for privacy if you wish. And it's quite a nice deep bath. And then you've got a single sink, I should say, and then a full shower as well. The shower is actually very big. It's a double head shower, so that's quite nice as well. Very good size, and gets good and hot in the morning as well, which is what you want. The toilet facilities are just in here. Again, very nice, very simple. It's separate from the rest, and you've got a small hand basin there as well for washing your hands afterwards. As for the rest of the storage, then you have wardrobe space back here. Quite nice to have a bit of a wide corridor there, so you can put your bags, package, and you have a full-length mirror. You've got a coffee machine, usual espresso set up there, a couple of snacks, some extra shelving, and there's also a small minibar fridge as well, so you can either use what's there or take something from it. So that's a quick room tour of the Jiva Hill Hotel. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Tell us what you think in the comments, or if you have any questions, just stick it in the comments section and we'll get back to you and let you know. Thanks for watching.